When I'm typing something in the input box, it's in white color. But as soon as I write a special word, the editor changes its color to yellow. You can see there are some reserved keywords in the programming language that perform a special task. These words are called keywords. There are some rules that we need to follow while programming. These rules are called the syntax of that programming language. To write good code, we need to follow the syntax of that programming language. For example, if I want to print something, I need to write the word print, and the text I want to print should be enclosed in double quotes, and that should be enclosed inside round brackets. This is the simple syntax for printing something. There are other syntax rules we will cover in the upcoming videos.